Welcome to Kosovo Study Institute. Again, Python can. What can Python do? Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications. Here are some of things Python can do, just like a web development, data analysis, visualization, machine learning, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, scripting application, and other more. Here are some developments we can describe here. Web development. Python has framework like Django, Flask, and that make it easy to build web application and website. It can handle server side logics and database connectivity and front end development. You can develop any type of website through Python with a framework like Django and Flask. Second, data analysis and visualization. Python has library like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and analysis. NumPy and Panda is a vast Python library which can use for data analysis and data analytics programming. It offers visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn for creating chart, graph, interactive visualization. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python has become one of the most popular language for machine learning and AI. AI. Machine learning and AI. Library like a TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn provide tool for developing and training machine learning models, neural network, and deep learning algorithm. Scientific computing. Python is widely used in scientific computing due to its extensive library tools. Libraries such as SciPy, SymPy provide function for scientific calculation, optimization, and symbolic mathematics. Automation and scripting. Python is often used for automating repeating tasks and writing script. It offers a wide range of built-in modules for the operation, system management, and interactive with external program. Desktop GUI application. Python provides framework like tkinter, pyquit, and PySite for creating a graphical user interface for desktop application. It allows developer to build interactive application with buttons, menus, and other visual elements. Game development. Python has library like PyGames that facilitate game development. It provides functionality for handling graphics and sound and user input, making it suitable for creating two-dimensional games and simple simulation. Network wave scraping. Python standard library will include modules for network programming, allowing developer to create a client-server application, handle socket, and work with protocol like HTTP. Additionally, libraries like Beautiful Soap, Scrappy are commonly used for web scraping and data extraction from website. Scripting for software application. Many software applications provide Python as an embedded scripting language, allowing user to customize extended and functionality of the software using Python code. IoT, Internet of Things. Python can be used in IoT project for data collection, analysis, controlling IoT devices. Its simplicities and wide range of library make it suitable choice for building IoT solutions. Here there are just some example of the what Python can do. Its simplicity, readability, and large community support. Python is widely used across various domains and is considered versatile language for different types of project. So Python can what can Python do? It is a perfect it is a complete answer how can Python work beside different types of platforms and different types of programming script. Python have capable to do anything. What can want to do through Python. Okay, thank you for visiting my Kosovo Study Institute YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel and share with own friends and colleagues. Thank you for visiting my channel. Okay.